Over the age of 40, always tired, even after a full night's sleep. It's not your age. Here's why. I used to wake up totally tired and exhausted. Wired, but really tired. Coffee, I needed coffee by 9 a.m. and then I'd be crashed by 3 p.m. Thought I needed more sleep, but that wasn't the full picture. The fix, it wasn't complicated. It just required a different approach for us men over 40. So I introduced 4 action inputs in order of priority. They go like this. Number 1, sleep. You've got to get your sleep patterns correct. And there's all different ways you can improve your sleep. But the number 1 I found was just simply getting into a regular sleep pattern, which was, for me, get up at 5:30 in the morning, go to bed 9:30 at night, 7 days a week. That really regulated my hormones, made a massive difference. Number 2, stress levels. If your stress is going up, you're creating cortisol. Cortisol, now listen to this, cortisol is a fat storing hormone. The last thing you want to be doing is storing fat. So whatever it takes to bring down those cortisol levels and reduce your stress, for me, just simply going for a walk. So first of all, I recognize that I'm feeling stressed. I go for a walk. Thirdly, clean eating, really, really important, especially if you can choose anti-inflammatory type foods, lots of vegetables, rice, clean foods, watch the fats, watch the sugars. Basically, if it tastes nice, it's not really good for you. So you've got to get into a habit of clean foods. And then lastly, number 4, exercise. Got to start with strength exercises first, followed by metabolic training, circuit training. Get the strength up first and get the heart and lungs going afterwards. Increase that energy. Why? After the age of 40, it's not just about your sleep. It's about your hormones. It's about habits. It's about how you fuel your body. Nail the right inputs, and I guarantee after 4 days, that brain fog is going to be lifted. Maintain the habits for 12 weeks, and you will see massive differences. The results will be fantastic. Just like these guys in my Vascular Gentleman group. These men were in a similar position, but they simply took action and nailed the habits. They don't just survive their day anymore, they dominate it. Want to break free from fatigue? If you like this tip, I've got something special for you. I created a 1-page bodyweight blast workout, including 5 exercises, 30 seconds each, simply 2 rounds. Quick, brutal, and very effective. Just drop the number 5 below and I'll send it to you straight away. Like and subscribe and watch the next video. And I'm going to leave you with 2 words. Take action.